Hi! Today I want to share with you a simple breakfast recipe. On a recent trip to Bali, I had the fluffiest tofu scramble I've ever tried in my life. Today I'm going to recreate it in my kitchen for you to see. For this recipe, we will need 1 package of medium firm tofu, some olive oil. For aromatics, we'll need some finely minced garlic, ginger, as well as the white parts of the green onion. We'll need some salt. If you can find Indian black salt, try that. It has a sulfur taste to it. Some black pepper, ground turmeric, and some cilantro. Make sure to be patient with this step. You really have to allow the tofu to cook out and become a fluffy texture. And there you have it, a simple vegan-friendly tofu scramble. You gotta give it a try and let me know how you like it. Until next time, relish every bite.